What's up, kids? We're going for a drive. You want to come? Cool. All right. Yes, we're going for a drive. Why? Because I'm sick and tired of not driving my junk. Who do I have to blame? Me. That's right. You turn the battery on this turd. And then... oh, the turd? You guys have seen. All right. So, let's see if it starts, huh? I guess we'll find out. You good? All right.
I'd say it started. Can you hear? I put some fresh gas in. It's running okay. Like usual, right? We're just gonna go for a drive. You're gonna come with. Yeah. Yeah, let's move it, baby. All we're gonna do is we're gonna sit here a minute, let it warm up. You're gonna fiddle with it, right? Put it neutral. 5 something. All right, it smells bad in here already. We got about 65 pounds of oil pressure, 14 volts. Let's get out of here. All right, here we go. We're just gonna go for a little drive around the loop. We got just enough things to make sure we're street legal. By that I mean, I've got my wallet and 1 brake light. What more do you need? I don't know. What do you guys think? I have a feeling Clyde's gonna misbehave. And rightly so. I mean, I've been neglecting this car for way too long. Hey, someone's built. Check it out. They're building a shop. Maybe I should build a new shop. Alright, I stepped on it. Clyde's stumbling. Now, I'm guessing this carburetor. Let's see. Yeah. Well, it's what it is. We're just out for a drive. We're not going to go too far. Maybe. You know what? If we have to be nice to Clyde for a while, we'll be nice. We don't have to pound on it. Do we? It's loud in here, though. You might say, Chad, where are your earplugs? I don't know. What I'm trying to do is just drive this before it rains again. It's been raining a lot this summer, and Clyde's been getting neglected for the past couple of years. And well, you know, it's actually time to talk a little bit about something anyway. And when I get back to the shop, I'll talk to you about what I want to talk to you about, because we gotta do something different. Yep. Car runs good, stinks like all get out though. Woo! Smelling bad. Yeah, I gotta do something to the exhaust. I'm gonna have to put it back underneath the car or something. Because I'll tell you what, it's pretty stinky in here. Either that or I'm gonna have to open the windshield up. So, You keep driving this thing, or you set it down the road? You notice it's loud in here? It's loud. Everything's looking good. No issues so far. Should we do a donut? I wonder if we can. I would say we probably could. Do we though? Maybe. Somebody did one in the middle of the street here. I don't love the shifter in my leg though. I'll tell you that right now. But then again, I'm pretty sure you already knew that, didn't you? Oh, no power steering. I have power brakes though. Speaking of that, let's see. That was a good one, boy. You feel that? One wheel peel all over the place. One wheel peel all over your face? I don't know. Something. Woo-hoo! It's hard to wave in Clyde with one hand when you're holding on to the camera and you're driving with one hand. You only got two hands. It's good. We're on our way home. We don't even need to go look at that burnout. That one was good. So, yeah. Anybody else notice it's loud here? Very droney. Yeah. Now this hot rod, people call this one a rat rod. Why? I don't know why they call it a rat rod. It's not a rat rod. People say, well, it doesn't have paint on it. I'm like, look, it has like 4 colors of paint. It also stinks. But that's all right, isn't it? Guess what? Clyde's a good old car, I think. Not really. Kind of a turd. Yeah, this is what we do on Sunday mornings at Honest Bait Speed Shop. We go out and make the neighbors mad. Carbon monoxide ourselves, stupid. You know, whatever. Just whatever the hell we want to do. But you might say, well, carbon monoxide's bad. Well, yeah, dirt. Ah, that was bummy. Oh, gotta take it easy right here. No reason why. I can feel that heat from the exhaust on my elbow. That's how much we need to change this. It smells bad too. We're not gonna do another burnout though. Nope. Where are we? Woo-hoo, we're gonna check that one out, I'll tell you that right now. I can see it. Whoa. We better get this put away before somebody calls the law. Oh, I laid some one wheel peel, baby. Yep, we'll take you out there. Whoever this person is does burnouts in front of my house, you better knock it off. Clyde did good. Hey, really good. You guys saw. There's 2 burnouts. Let's go look at it. All right, here Clyde cooling down. What do you think? I think we should keep this one. Unless somebody wants to make me an offer, I guess. Clyde. Let's go look at the stuff we did. You know, I'll tell you what. Clyde laid it down, boy. I'll tell you what. Twice. Yeah. I don't remember where I did it, though. Okay, let me get you up there. Found it. Oh, goodness. Now, I one-wheel peeled this thing. About 90 feet. About 90 feet. I think that's a good one, even though it was one wheel. Yeah. All right, so what we learned today, kids. Clyde can still lay it down. That's what we learned. He's no Bonnie, but he did great. Just a little finicky, stinky, carbon monoxide-y, you know. So anyway, get your car right now. Right now, get in there because the video's done and go enjoy a Sunday drive. Or take your car out and piss your neighbors off and do burnouts in front of their houses. You know, either way. Keep on wrenching, kids.